It is our second full day here in Angeles City. It is fiesta. We are going to have lechon and a bunch of other really good stuff. Lechon, you're gonna like that. It's a whole pig that's been roasted over a fire. It's gonna be great. Also, there's ESPN here, so we're just watching Rangers lose Game 3. It sucks. And now we're gonna watch the Yankees lose, so that's gonna be fun. Damn Yankees. No Yankees. Boo. Jeepney. That was how you cross the middle of the street in the middle of traffic.
Hey Glenn,
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you, you didn't have that on. Yesterday there was a scooter with a father, and in front of him is a kid, and then behind him is another kid, and in between.
Oh, that's normal.
And then the mom at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
For in a single motor.
You have to be brave. Right there. And that's how you make a left turn. What I say? Whoever's brave enough can get to their destination faster.
Yeah. It's a constant game of chicken.
What was that?
Ice cream with
Are we gonna
Dirty ice cream.
buy any balut today?
Balut?
Mm-hmm.
Later.
Later. Yes.
In the afternoon. Siya. Ngayon nilipat lang dito sa tapat. Yan, Aling Lucy. Yung pinakamalaki. There.
Yeah.
That's where Anthony.
Yes.
That's where Anthony Bourdain ate.
Yes. Diyan sa kumain ng ano, ng
Sisig.
pati yung kambing.
Yeah.
Pinapap.
Ano pa? Videotape pa. So garlic butter and oil.
Yan mo na tamoy kay balang mo-block ni kay.
That's
More good.
Kita ba?
Hindi. Kaya nga may flash.
Nagyaya na kumokit?
Bisor. Do it properly.
So
okay?
cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, cream of mushroom. Oh, ito po yung para sa lengua. Ah,
Even for the pastel.
and for the pastel. Okay.
Pastel. Chicken pastel.
Very cool.
Namin chorizo yun. Chinese chorizo o nga chorizo?
Chinese.
Good.
Yabe.
You can put this
It's a Chinese chorizo.
Chinese chorizo. That's chorizo de Bilbao.
Chorizo de Bilbao.
Titigan na kagamat.
Matutan na gamat.
And then what's that?
This is chicken dog,
Chicken dog,
frankfurters.
frankfurters.
Pwede.
Mongko.
Chicken neck.
Kung may tontong kaya sa panyala.
Yeah, boy.
Boiled.
Makalusin ba bilhin lang ko tayo pa iki.
Salted chicken neck.
Ako na itong lizard. Ay, lizard. Itong liver and lizard. Yung liver and lizard.
Liver and lizard.
Yung liver and lizard.
Mmm.
This is gizzard. You know gizzard?
And
Balunan. Liver.
Mm,
Patay.
livers. Yeah.
Sabi mo na ganyan.
Everything. You put everything.
Ay, pwede.
Blanched carrots. Oh, okay.
Sabi mo, hindi na rin.
Tabi mo rin, Bis.
Yan, dinuguan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alam mo tama niyan.
With the intestines.
Oh, yes.
Yan, at saka yung
Livers and
cube blood.
pig blood.
Mm-hmm.
Pig blood. Looks so good. Wow. Goodness cream and quail eggs and cauliflower.
You taste it first before we continue.
Diyan tayo pangasin.
Tanga. Oh, tabi ka rin. Sa kami niya sin.
Sige.
Green beans, blanched.
Kaya lang pa niya bomba niya.
Itong pika yan kay.
Hindi paglaga.
Oy, Corina. Sige.
Hindi na may paggata.
Sige, makain na naman, no?
Green na niya.
That's the best part. Tail. I mean, the ear's pretty good too. And lengua.
You should come open. Christmas, you come back.
Christmas. Oh, I want to so bad. Tagal na ako hindi
New Year tanga, no? Yung ano, no? The New Year's Eve.
sa New York. Apa.
Sa Texas ba, di ka nagpapasok?
Hindi, wala. Ano?
Kahit
Almost gone. Rice. Pastel. Aros Valenciana. Fried chicken. Lengua. Lechon. Lechon sauce. And a gay pig. That's pretty fun.